Okay, GoPro. Why won't this one work? Every time I go to start a video, all it does is freeze up, won't do anything. Looks like you're taking video, but it's not actually counting, not taking video. You can't touch any of the touchscreen things on it. It just wants to freak out and like not respond. Not cool.
Consider this okay side to be on, so everything goes that way.
Yeah. No, you did it, but you got rigging twisted again.
Huh?
You got rigging twisted.
Ugh, quit pinching my belly. Do you want me to send this down to you?
No. Grab this.
Huh?
Grab that. Alright, now bring that other line out and around it.
This way?
Yep.
Around that fork?
Yeah, flick it out around there. Now you get.
That's so much crispiness over there.
That's why you're tied in up above, you're fine.
Yeah.
Try to keep your weight on that rope too. And when you like go to spur up and stuff, don't slam into it, just gently, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's good enough, but like if you get to just really just, you know, cranking around on it being goofy climbing, you can upset it.
Don't have a repeat of the first dead cottonwood you ever put me in. Do you remember that?
No.
For that guy up on 5900. Not Hendricks. Not Holstead. Yeah, Hendricks.
Yeah, that's not the address, but okay.
Well, you know which one I'm talking about?
Yeah.
The one that went way out. And like I got like halfway out, just like belly humping out it. And I heard a crack, and I lost my shit, dropped my hand, saw, shaking like a leaf. That whole thing's like this because I'm shaking.
Yeah.
And you're like, dude, calm down, get out of the tree. Oh, that cracked me up in like hindsight.
Yeah, you can work them out. You just gotta be like
Smart, gentle.
you gotta be smooth, not, you know, shaking them around, not lanyarding up really fast and hard, and, you know, really just rocking the tree. You just gotta be smooth with what you're doing, and they'll come out just fine.
Yeah. So what's the game plan on this one?
Go up there and work out that up there and that there, and then just keep coming back. I'm going to use this other rig point over here. That way I'll have a diagonal line right here so that when stuff swings around, it'll come into that and it'll stop it out here rather than letting it swing all the way over. It'll control the swing. Plus it keeps me back further out of the way, just in case there is shrapnel. I'd say probably you can have some slings and probably terminate the rig line and then clip some other stuff to it. I may purely just take a speed line approach to it too. I don't know. We'll probably rig it because if I did speed line it, I'd have to have you tag it out there somewhere, and then we'd be putting sideways torque on it, which isn't good on a dead piece.
Hey, can I send this down for you?
Yeah.
I would toss it, but it's Walmart brand.
What?
I would just toss it, but it's Walmart brand, and it's
Okay, stop.
it's my girlfriend's, not mine. Not that she drinks coffee, but
Yeah. You ain't out there yet.
do you think I would be?
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You are a lifesaver.
Are you gonna want some slings?
Do I?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you asking or telling me?
I was asking you if you want some.
Oh, I don't see why not.
Okay.
Oh, you're putting them on that? Okay.
There's one long one on there.
Okay.
You can really tell what the size of those pieces are up there from down here.
Should I toss this behind me?
Your tail?
Yeah.
You can. How's that one look? You bomb that one off?
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you bomb it off, you can flip past it. Make sure you cut all the way through it. Like, don't let it swing back. Just chase it the whole way. You know what I mean?
Yep. Alright, good.
Yep. About that one above you, like, where's it if you cut it? Don't put it so high.
Huh?
Don't put it so high. Put it down some. Don't want it to slip off the end. What do you got going on with your line? Put your line back on this side. You spend 5 hours on the tree, but you keep taking these little baby pieces.
Right here.
Yeah, somewhere in there. All right, you should be good to go. Like I said, try to give it just a little bit of hinge to bring it around this side.
Yep.
If you're, like, when you're cutting, leave just a little bit more wood on this side and take it off the other side so that it'll come around. You know what I mean? Like when you're going to make your back cut, leave a little more on the high side. Let me grab gloves just in case. If it gets hot and spicy, I'd rather
Yeah.
protect my hand.
Nice job.
All right, good when you are.
You ready?
Yep.
Woo-hoo! Right in pebble!
It pulled me initially, but then as soon as it made contact, I got too many rats.
That's alright. I am super secure where I'm at. I ain't going nowhere until I decide to.
I was more concerned about having enough to make sure it swung than...
Do what?
I was more concerned about making sure I had enough to swing it than I was about it not running.
I'm sorry, but I have no idea what you're saying. All I hear is traffic.
Yeah.
I now understand your struggle.
I said I was more concerned about it swinging right, coming up over the line,
Yeah.
than I was about, can you get to that?
Huh? Yeah, I can reach that.
Okay, I'm gonna pull it up then.
Yep.
I was more concerned about it swinging and coming where it was supposed to than running and got a little greedy on the rat. That and being a live piece compared to all the dead pieces we've been taking, I figured that'd be substantially more.
Yeah. How'd that feel with 3 wraps though, besides light?
It was just a little bit too much. Like, it started taking initially, but as soon as it made contact with the tree and a little bit into this pine, there was just too much.
Yeah.
That other piece about the same.
Yeah.
You need to come up on this side.
Huh?
You need to come up on this side and cut it back that way. A little bit more slack. And give it a good flip. There you go. Hey, look, you made it.
What'd you say? Congratulations, I win?
No, I said, hey, look, you made it. You can either fix where you tied the rigging on, which is just a little bit of rope, or you can pull your entire rope over that. No, you need to be on this side. So see where you got your hand? I'm gonna have you cut it just outside of that. That's what's gonna keep that on that side of the tree from you. And you're gonna send the end of that piece. But you just can't be tied up in the, like right now you're over the top and underneath the rig line. Yeah, go under. Hey, you still want to be on this side.
Huh?
You still want to be on this side, yeah. You're going to duck under there is what you're going to do, and you're going to cut that back that way.
Yeah.
Because if you send it this way, it's gonna get longer and it's gonna sweep over here where we don't want it. You can just throw it back across to yourself right there through the fork and cinch it wherever.
Should I just clip it right here?
It'd be better if it's on the other side because we're rigging off of this side. So if something were to, cause that to break out, you don't want to be just solely relying on that. Not saying it would happen, but if you have an option, it's better to not be on the same piece you're rigging from.
Are you ready down there?
Yep, I'm good. Sorry, I tried to ruin it. It wasn't having it. Are you just wanting to move that one? Okay. I was gonna say the other option is leave that one there and then just have a redirect up higher. Or well, that would become the redirect actually, but yeah, if that's what you want to do, that's fine. You can move that one. Because all we needed that there for was like all this stuff over on this side, so you already got that whooped. What was it?
A Ranger.
Really?
Yeah.
Danger! If you get clinched off on that other side, you could probably drop that piece right there and then just go straight up instead of having to go around it. No?
Just take this.
Yeah, wouldn't it be easier if you got that out of your way and then went straight up instead of having to go around the side of it?
Yeah, probably.
Okay, yeah, just cinch off on the other side and just send it down here is fine. Yeah, tomorrow's supposed to be like 40, 50 mile an hour wind. Aren't you glad you're pushing through and getting it done?
Yeah.
You're in the home stretch now, man.
Alright, you good?
Yeah.
Am I good? Alright, here we go. Good right there?
Don't get too close to where you have it cinched off. You don't want it to slip off. That's what's up. Did you see what I did?
Huh?
Did you see what I did?
No. I was watching sticks.
Look at the other piece.
Oh, hey. Awesome. 2 for 1 double prizes.
Oh. So close.
It's almost free.
Yep. Didn't quite, like it won't take anything. I thought it would.
Hey, it's got friction up here. Am I loose?
No. Yeah, but it's completely loose down here. Like there's no, like it's not taking anything from this end.
Yeah. Once I get down to it, I'll see if I can lower it from here.
Just don't end up with your hand hung up in it or something.
What?
I said just don't end up with your hand hung up in it or something.
Am I good?
Yeah. Set this line up there somewhere.
Just cinch it?
Yeah.
You want me to take these two?
Nope.
Go. Okay. So what, is it ready to flop?
Not the whole thing, no. Yeah, I'm clear. I'm out of there.
Okay. Dusty. Sit down.
Yep.
Awesome. Hell yeah. All right, which one would you rather have tied up here? Which rope? Red rope.
The one that goes to that pulley right there. Well,
The one I just did?
What?
The one I just got free?
Put them both up there.
Okay.
One of them I just want to come straight off this way. And the other one's gonna go through that pulley. But we're just gonna pull this chunk over.
Is this the one going to the pulley?
Yes.
Okay.
The other one needs to go around the trunk so that it can come straight out.
Okay. Are you ready? That's what we needed, right?
That'll work.
Are we good now?
Now we need to do one more and then we're good. It'll be easier though, you can stand up for that one.
What, for that dead one?
Huh? No, we need to take another little bit off of that. It's too long to fit over here. We need to cut that in half about where the other thing is. What I'm saying is you don't have to be all weird out of position. You can just stand up and just cut. Now she'll fit.